Hey YouTube, just a quick fun cache here next to a river, little stream, old railroad bridge here. Love caches like these. Alright, so I'm gonna set my camera up here, and it's a little exciting climb, little monkey bars all over this. Just wanted to give you a quick fun climb, show you a unique container, and hopefully you enjoy this geocache. So, alright guys, I'm gonna climb this. See if I can get the geocache. Sometimes you gotta do no hands. Alright. We got a fake railroad tie here. And look on the end of that thing. Slide on down. We got a railroad tie with a bison tube on the end of it. And now a wet log. We'll get this thing signed and on to the next geocache on this trail I'm on. I'm finding a bunch of DTs, good ones along this path. It's been fun. Alright, look at all these signatures. Look at all those things. A lot of people doing that little climb there. It's impressive. Alright, well, again, this was just a quick find for you guys. Wanted to show a little bit of where I'm at. A good DT, a good cache container, and a good hide, and a beautiful location. So, we'll catch you guys later. As always, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment if you've seen a cache like this with a railroad tie with a bison tube, and as always, we'll see you at the next cache.